In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up iCloud Mail forwarding on your iPhone 15 or 15 Pro Max. This process is straightforward and will only take about 5 minutes. So grab your iPhone and let's get started. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is open the settings on your iPhone. This is your control center for all things related to your device's configuration. Simply locate and tap on the Settings app, which looks like a small gear icon. Once you've opened it, you'll want to navigate to the Apps section by scrolling down a bit. Here, you'll find a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Tap on Mail to access your email settings. This is where you can manage all your email accounts. Now we're going to dive a little deeper into your iCloud Mail settings. Go ahead and tap on Accounts. In this section, you will see all the email accounts that you have configured on your phone. Find and select your iCloud email account. For most people, it's easily identifiable as it usually has iCloud in the account name. Once selected, this brings up a new set of options relating to your iCloud Mail account. The next step is to actually set up mail forwarding. If you see a forwarding option available, tap on it. This feature might not be visible for everyone immediately if your settings have not been recently updated, but if you can see it, just tap ahead. Forwarding basically allows your incoming emails to be automatically sent to another email address, ensuring you never miss an important message. Toggle the forwarding switch to on. This simple action enables the forwarding feature. Now that forwarding is enabled, you're prompted to enter the email address where you want your mail to be forwarded. Carefully type in the email address to which you want all of your iCloud emails sent. Double check your entry, as it's crucial to ensure your emails are delivered to the correct place. Finally, let's make sure all your changes are saved. You might see a save button. If so, tap it to confirm your settings. On some iPhones, the changes might be saved automatically as you back out of each screen. Just ensure that you carefully exit out of the settings menu. And there you have it, a straightforward way to set up iCloud Mail forwarding on your iPhone 15 or 15 Pro Max. By following these steps, you ensure that your emails are always routed to the appropriate email address of your choice, giving you peace of mind and ease of access to your communications. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips to get the most out of your Apple devices.